Good evening to all. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to tell you an interesting topic. It is a sequel or a continuation to the previous video which I have told earlier about top 10 most richest countries in the world. But before going to tell, I want to tell you an important thing here. That is, in our previous video, some data has been erased due to technical problems. I am really very sorry from the bottom of my heart for such an inconvenience. I hope you will understand the problem. Thank you so much. Now I want to tell what are the data or what are the points that have been erased due to a technical problem. Actually, how can we simply say a country is the richest country in the world? Or on what parameters we can say a country is the richest country in the world? That is, based on the GDP per capita of a given area or a country, we can say a country is the richest country in the world. What is meant by GDP? The total economic output of a country, that is, the amount of money a country makes. GDP per capita is the total output or the total resources of a country by the total population of a country. It will give us the average output of each person, that is, the average amount of money each person makes. What are the methodology is used to calculate the GDP per capita income of a country? Or what are the parameters that are influenced a GDP per capita income of a country? There are two most common ways to measure a GDP per capita income of a country. That is, number one, nominal, and number two, purchasing power parity. Nominal is an attempt at an absolute measure, a sort of immovable standards that remains same from country to country. It is the original concept of gross domestic product. In contrast, PPP, that is, purchasing power parity, is an attempt at a relative measure taking factors of each country into consideration in order to put a number on a person's standard of living within that country. In other words, PPP, that is, purchasing power parity, is how much of a local good a person can buy in their country, and nominal is how much of an internationally traded goods a person can buy in their country. Based on these parameters, we can say a country is the richest or poorest in the world. Here, I am not personally praising any country. At the same time, I am not undermining or lowering any country. Just facts I am telling. Now, if we look at today's concept, the title of the today's topic is Top 10 Poorest Countries in the World. There are many countries in the world that have a very low GDP, even below $1,000 per year, which are considered as poorest countries in the world. If we look at the list, number 10, Guinea. The West African country, Guinea, has a population of 10.5 millions, predominated by Muslims, who are around 85% of total inhabitants. Guinea has a very low GDP per capita income of $523.10. Being the poorest nation, the country has many of epidemics which have become the reason for several deaths in every year. Number 9, Ethiopia. Ethiopia is officially known as the Federal Democratic Republic of Ethiopia. It is situated in Horn of Africa, having nearly 88 millions of inhabitants. It is also known as most crowded landlocked country in the world. It has a GDP per capita income of $505. Although Ethiopia has developed its economy in the last few years and a reasonable growth could be seen in economic growth, but still it is not enough to throw poverty outside from a country. Number 8, the Gambia. Gambia is the smallest country on African land with a population of nearly 1.8 millions. It has a GDP per capita income of $488.60, which is purely based on tourism, farming and fishing. The Gambia is also below the international poverty line, which is enlisted in top poorest countries in the world. Number 7, Democratic Republic of the Congo. The Democratic Republic of the Congo, or simply Congo, is the Central African country with a population of more than 77 millions. The Democratic Republic of the Congo is very rich in natural resources, but political instability, a lack of infrastructure, corruption, limited development and misuse of these resources ruins all natural developments in the country, as its GDP is about $484. Number 6, Madagascar. Madagascar is an island country in the Indian Ocean, has an estimated population of over 22 millions. The major cause of economic weakness and low quality of life is political crisis, which enrolled it in the list of top poorest countries in the world with a GDP per capita income of $463. Number 5, Liberia. In Liberia, under 85% of population spending their lives under international poverty line with a GDP per capita income of $454.30. Number 4, Niger. The Republic of Niger has a population of nearly 17 millions with a majority of Muslims. It is considered as largest nation in Africa, following 80% of area comprised of Sahara Desert. Niger is one of the low-ranked countries where desertification is a common, which went draft and enrolled the country in top poorest countries in the world with a GDP per capita income of $415.40. Number 3, Central African Republic. The Central African Republic has various natural resources and minerals like uranium, lumber, crude oil, diamonds, gold and hydropower. But despite of all these significant reserves, the country stands amongst the poorest countries in the world with a GDP per capita income of $333.20. Number 2, Burundi. Burundi is enlisted in top poorest countries in the world with a lower GDP per capita income of $267.10. The country is suffering from corruption, warfare, political crisis, illiteracy and economic instability, which constrain the growth and development in the state. Burundi is also the hungriest country in the world, following its percentage as per Global Hunger Index. Number 1, Malawi. Malawi is a Southeast African country, has a population of 16 millions having a very low GDP per capita income of $226.50 US dollars. The country is in the list of top poorest countries in the world, following its lower per capita and lower living standards. Whereas Malawi has an extremely low life expectancy and high infant mortality, which couldn't be controlled till yet. Malawi is one of the least developed nations in the world. However, some of improvements have been seen in the recent years, but not enough, because this depends upon foreign aids, which are not constant. This is about today's topic, and once again I am repeating myself. Here I am not personally praising any country. At the same time, I am not undermining any country. I am just telling about existing facts. Please understand me. Thank you so much for being with me. For more interesting updates, please subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Jai Hind.